It is the time of the year that I'm thinking about what folding boats to build. My friend asked me if I can design one based on the ORU Lake. And I have also looked into other similar ones like the MyCanoe Solo too. I like the look of the ORU Lake. The ORU design has more fold lines and it will take longer time to build, especially for my friend who's still very new in building a boat using coroplast. Around 3 years ago, I built one similar to the MyCanoe Solo. There are a few fold lines on Solo too. This design is very similar to my earlier Gen 19 design, and you can compare the differences between the Lake and my Gen 19 here. Both the Lake and Solo 2 are around 31 inches wide. I prefer the width to be at 25 inches for my Gen 25 boat because it should perform better, faster. The trade-off is the load capacity will be around 220 pounds instead of close to 300. Please let me know what is your preference. I will start doing the boat plan in the next 2 weeks so that I can start building the prototype by March. And I hope we'll have the tutorial video and also the boat plan available by May. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye-bye.